Hello, have a nice day, my dear sir. Now, today date is February 10th February 2024, and now time is 12 and 42 a.m. So now this work coming for my side. This is my new work, uh, real estate work. This is real estate leads collect, and my team. This Manna, Rakibul, Rakibul Jannat, MBH. Uh, Actually, now my four team member working this sheet. This is give me buyer, source, company, industry, phone number, website have already have here, and actually my now need address, name, title, email, LinkedIn, and who working my team who working. This is his name. So this is a work, lead generation work. Uh, so just I show you how to uh, finish this work. Thank you very much.